What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cancel Dramawave subscription. So, you might be wondering or you're looking for a way to cancel your Dramawave subscription. So, there are going to be a few things that you need to know here. Now, the thing with other devices here, we all know that the primary way for us to download apps is via Google Play Store. Now, if you made any subscriptions via your mobile device here, like for example, you subscribe to Dramawave using your mobile device or Android device here, well, the thing with this one, it's going to be managed by Google Play Store. Every payment that you made via Google Play Store here, you should be able to manage that via Google Play Store. Now, if you're going to open up the app for Dramawave here, you won't have the option to cancel that. So again, you need to visit Google Play Store. So you want to look for Google Play Store here, open it up, and you want to make sure that you're using the correct account here. So if you use a different account for downloading this specific app, make sure to switch over. So go and click on the profile icon at the top right here, click on the drop down icon, and just make sure you've selected the correct account. Now, once you've done that, just click on the option here that says Payments and Subscription. And from here, what we need to do is you want to go and click on the subscription option. Now, in here, you want to look for Dramawave. Now, what you need to do, it's going to be under active, so just click on the cancel subscription button that you'll be seeing there. Just confirm a few things or provide some details here, but once you've done that, you should be able to cancel your subscription. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.